Hi, my name is Yogesh Mishra and I welcome you all in this next session. And today we are going to talk about the next 5 synonyms. Without wasting much time, let us start. Sit with pen and paper so that you can note down all the related words that I am going to tell you. So let us start. So the first word today is transcends. And what does this word transcend means? This word means that to go beyond something. Go beyond something, or to achieve a new height, a stage of sublimation, or to rise above something. Rise above something. So बहुत ज़्यादा ऊपर चले जाना, बहुत ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल हो जाना is called transcending something. So let us talk about all the words. So if I talk about eclipse, so eclipse is the word which also means that to go beyond something. So we got the answer in the first option only. So eclipse is the right answer for this question. Talking about the fizzle. Fizzle and abort are synonymous to each other, and fizzle means a state of failure. Okay. When you are not at all successful and you have done something और आप उसमें बुरी तरीके से fail हो गए हैं, तो we can say that it has been fizzled out. Blunder is something which you never expected and you did something. आपने कुछ ऐसा कर दिया है जो कभी नहीं करना चाहिए था. That is blunder. Let us move next. So the next word is drivel. Next word is drivel. Drivel means to, talk stupidly, which is not relevant. So if I want to say that or I want to use drivel, तो मैं ये कहूँगा कि do not read the novels of Chetan Bhagat. They are very drivel. If you are an ardent reader, do not read Chetan Bhagat. So means क्या? Not relevant or stupidity or carelessness. Okay. So ये मतलब होता है आपका किसका? ड्रिवल का. तो अब अगर इसके सिनोनिम्स पे जाएं तो इंटेलिजेंट इज अ पर्सन जो बहुत दिमाग वाला है. ठीक. जुडिशियस इज ऑल्सो द सेम पर्सन जो बहुत ही वाइज है, जो बहुत ध्यान से चीजों को करेगा. सेन की हम बात करें, अ पर्सन हु इज इन नॉर्मल स्टेट. अगर इनसेन हो जाएगा तो फिर हम वो क्या कहेंगे? दैट ही इज नॉट इन हिज सेंसेस. सो वी आर लेफ्ट विथ ओनली वन वर्ड दैट इज कॉल्ड ब्लैदर. सो टॉकिंग अबाउट द सिनोनिम ऑफ ड्रिवल, तो ड्रिवल की अगर मैं बात करूं सिनोनिम्स की, तो फज कैन बी द सिनोनिम ऑफ ड्रिवल. ओके. ड्रूल can be the synonym of drivel. Then humbug can be the synonym of drivel, and last blathersome is the synonym of drivel. So the correct answer is option B. Let us move further. Talking about the next word is very common, perseverance. More often people say that you should practice perseverance, or you should perceive if you want to be successful in your life. So perseverance means that a continued effort. If you are studying, so you have perseverance. If you want to be successful, you should study with perseverance. Means continued effort. Okay. Without fatigue and all, you are continuously making effort for something, then that is called perseverance. Or I can say the steadfastness. When you are ready to do or ready to work hard anytime. So talking about the synonym of perseverance, क्या cowardice हो सकता है क्या synonym? नहीं. Cowardice means कायर. Lethargy is laziness. Or if I say indolence, so indolence means laziness, showing the characteristic of laziness or sloth, जो बहुत ही आलसी है, पड़ा हुआ है. तो we can say that lethargy and indolence are synonyms, but they are not the synonym of perseverance. So the synonym of perseverance is endurance. When you are enduring something, you are continuously making efforts for something. So endurance can be the synonym of perseverance. Okay, so the correct answer is option A. Moving on further, next word is frivolous. Frivolous is a person who does things without thinking. Okay, so if I talk about the real meaning, so we can say that if some person is frivolous, then he lacks seriousness, and that person is impulsive in nature. Okay, so talking about the words which are similar or synonym of frivolous, तो इसमें कौन कौन से words आ जाएंगे? पहला वर्ड हो जाएगा न्यूगेटरी. प्लीज नोट डाउन दीज वर्ड्स बिकॉज कभी ना कभी हो सकता है आपके एग्जामिनेशन में आ जाए. ओके, देन मोर कॉमन वर्ड इज फुलिश. देन आई कैन ऑल्सो से दैट पर्सन, दैट दिस पर्सन इज fiddling, Fiddling, fiddling. And there's one more word which you must be finding difficult. This is puerile, not puerile, this is puerile. Okay, what does puerile means? Puerile means a juvenile work or a person who is juvenile. Okay, yeah, I can say that this person is childish, या फिर मैं ये बोल सकता हूं कि वो बहुत ही क्या है, सिली है. Did it click to your mind? Because frivolous and puerile, they both are synonymous to each other. ये भी एक ऐसा पर्सन है जो सीरियसनेस नहीं रखता है, और ये भी एक पर्सन है जो चाइल्डिश है या फिर सिली है या फिर जुवेनाइल हरकतें कर रहा है. वाइज इज अ पर्सन हु इज वेरी स्मार्ट and who has wisdom. Spiritual, who belongs to spiritual things, like who believes in God and all these things. So the correct answer to this question was option C. Let us move further. So last word for today is petrify. Petrify means to make something lifeless. What it means? Make something लाइफलेस. जब हम किसी चीज को निर्जीव बना देते हैं, या फिर निर्जीव पूरी तरीके से नहीं, उसको बहुत ही हम लोग क्या बना देते हैं, डेडन कर देते हैं. ठीक, उसके अंदर से इमोशंस खत्म हो जाते हैं. सपोज समवन लॉस्ट हिज मदर, तो वो पर्सन क्या हो गया है, पेट्रीफाई हो गया है, वो सहम गया है. ठीक, इवन वी कैन से दैट ही हैज बिकम हार्डेंड, ओके, फ्रॉम इमोशनली और मेंटली. तो मैं ये कह सकता हूं कि डेडन, हार्डन, या फिर मैं एक और वर्ड यूज करता हूं, दैट इज कास्ट्रेट. दैट पर्सन हैज बिकम कास्ट्रेट और गिल्ड, or I can say innervate. These are all the synonym of this same word petrify: deaden, harden, castrate, geld, and innervate. So clearly you can see that petrify is synonymous to harden. So the correct answer to this question is option D. Adorn means to decorate, किसी को सजा देना या कोई चीज सजाना, तो उसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, adorn. Calm means which person is very calm and composed, शांत है. Curious, out of curiosity, बहुत ज्यादा जिज्ञासु, तो उसे हम curious बोलते हैं. तो ये दोनों इसके आंसर नहीं है. The correct answer is harden. So I hope you enjoyed this session. Please note down all these words and try to form a sentence with them. Please associate these words. So I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep watching English Wala. Thank you.